Mathematics reveals hidden patterns that helps us understand the world around us. As a practical matter, mathematics is a science of pattern and order. The special role of mathematics in education is a consequence of its universal applicability. The results of mathematics theorem and theories are both significant and useful. The best results are also elegant and deep. By the end of the high school, students should be aware of the global inductive nature of axiomatic mathematics. They should be familiar with the connection between our number system and algebra, between algebra and geometry. They should be comfortable reasoning with short sequence of statements with Venn diagrams and other visual and diagrammatic methods. They should have experience with modeling, recognizing, for example, that certain natural phenomena. In this video, I am going to discuss about nature of mathematics. Mathematics is a science of discovery. Mathematics gives an easy and early opportunity to make independent discoveries. The children must have opportunities for making their own discoveries of mathematical ideas, but they must also have the practice necessary to achieve accuracy in their calculation. It is related to each aspect of human life. It is a numerical and calculation part of human life and knowledge. Mathematics helps in the self-evaluation. Mathematics is an exact science. Mathematics is an exact science. Its knowledge is always clear, logical, and systematic, and that may be understood easily. It provides a clear and exact response like yes or no, right or wrong. It is a science of logical reasoning. It involves inductive and deductive reasoning and can generalize any proposition universally. Mathematics, a logical game. Mathematics can be considered as a logical game as it has its own rules, laws, formula, theories. From this side, mathematics is mainly solving problems, puzzles, and paradoxes. Mathematics deals with art of drawing conclusions. Mathematical conclusions are certain and definite. Mathematics helps the learner in drawing unbiased, right, and to the point conclusions and inferences. Mathematics is a thinking tool. Mathematics has its own beauty, structure, and features. Mathematics is a thinking tool, not just a subject in school. Mathematics helps the student to engage with the world around them using the tool of mathematics. Mathematics is the study of pattern and structure. Many patterns and occurrences exist in nature, in our world, in our life. Mathematics helps make sense of this pattern and occurrence. Mathematics is a tool to quantify, organize, and control our world, predict phenomena, and make life easier for us. The very first step in learning of any mathematical concept is the development of intuition. Intuition implies the act of grasping the meaning or significance or structure of a problem without explicit reliance of the analytical apparatus of one's craft. It is the intuitive mode that yields hypotheses quickly while solving a problem. A child constructs their own structure by defined rules of their own. The teacher has to foster intuition in our young children by following right strategies of teaching. The National Policy of Education stated that mathematics should be visualized as the vehicle to train a child to think, reason, analyze, and to articulate logically. Now, words to know. Nature. The innate or essential qualities or character of a person or animal. Basic constitution of a person or thing. The basis of inherent feature, character, or qualities of something. In general words, nature is something that we are born with, and character is what we build as we grow old.